Hi guys, welcome back. Today is the last whole day of doing our whole entire journey and trip. So yeah, today we are at the farm shop and gonna have a look inside. They look good.
Look at them mushrooms.
They're big.
They are big, aren't they?
They're chilies.
Green chilies and onions.
Would have been better if I had pistachio in.
Nice.
It's like a Marks and Spencer's.
I don't know what that is.
Well, I
I
chocolate
really don't know what they are. Oh. What is that? What is this?
It's like got nuts and things in it.
What, covered in chocolate?
Yeah.
grape juice.
Let's see. I think the pans and that, like, Dad, there's copper behind you.
Yeah, that's just for cooking.
Ooh, this.
Oh my gosh, look how long this table is, guys. That table is so long.
That's just for show. So drink a lot of soap down everywhere, isn't there?
It is very.
Albeit it's not actually as expensive as what I would imagine.
No, it's not too bad.
I like this. Yeah, no, I want to get grape juice.
You know,
Oh.
because you got tonight to drink it.
Oh no, there's some little glasses that aren't big. Or I could just get some. Or I could get something to eat here and then make it with it.
Yeah, eat
I thought I just saw something that said crepes, but it didn't.
Oh.
Damn it.
Where?
Oh wow, it actually has a garden.
This is very posh.
Very nice, isn't it?
I love it.
Oh, I'd love something like that. You could do spuds in it as well, we are. It is nice, isn't it?
They have lights in there.
Oh.
Come on, Nando's there.
Home garden. Oh my god.
That is brand new.
That's got to be worth a bit.
It's electrical.
That is a serious pizza oven. Not very authentic, but very modern.
Just like a stone bake oven with electric,
No,
and it was £2.5 grand, right? It was £2.5 grand. That's crazy. Guys, right now we're gonna walk back to the car park, and we're gonna move on to the next place, which is, if I'm right, a Sherborne Village, I think. So yeah, I might see you there. Guys, we're going stone on the wall. Stone on the wall. Weird. Huh? Stow on the wall. Stow on the wall. That's it. Made it to Tesco's car park.
Yeah, where?
Um,
I don't
in
know where we are. Hold on.
we're in no, what is
No,
it?
we're not.
No, thingy upon wall. No, not wall.
Stow on the wall.
Yes, stow on wall. Which
Stow on the walls.
stow on the walls.
Wold.
Stow on the
Wold.
Wold.
stow on the walls.
Wolder.
Wall.
Look at the angle of what he holds the camera. He just looks up his nostril.
Stones on the wold.
Today we're at Stow on the Wall.
Stone on the wold.
Yeah, you know, like South.
A bit might be Caleb.
It's not. He had long hair. Yeah, long hair.
Nah, it's not Caleb. It's the police station.
Stow on the wall. Police station.
It is actually still a police station.
Oh yeah, it is actually a police station.
Yeah, don't
What?
have police stations anymore.
Especially you don't have a door open to it. Oh yeah, these. Can we go look in the market?
Yeah, we will.
Okay.
It's a little farmer market.
Oh my gosh.
Look, 5 floors.
They didn't just live in there. I like a bit of us.
The whole room.
Oh, they've got old bulbs. You wait.
Look upstairs. I am looking for a little cross. If you do see a just tell me. Also, like a cross to hang up somewhere would be nice.
Yeah, above our like bed or something.
Yeah, somewhere.
Are these mac?
I hate. Look at the forks.
Lovely, isn't it?
These looks. Dad, these two looks
That's it. They're really cool.
Oh, bakery.
What's that?
Yeah.
Yeah.
I don't think they got much in there though.
What?
I don't think they got much in there. Yeah, we just got it, guys, and it's well, there was a flapjack. It's called the flapperjack.
Flapjackery.
Oh, flapjackery. And we got a flapjack ice cream,
Yeah, with brownie bits.
which sounded weird at first, but it's just actually just plain ice cream with brownies in it.
And hot caramel.
It's what it says on the tin. Do you want this bit? Look, I'll get you a bit with everything. Look, you got a bit of. You want a decent bit of ice cream. Even the ice cream is lovely. There you go. Get it all in there, boy. Oh, wait a minute. Get all the flavours going. Yeah, isn't it? Amazing. Oh, you want to have a go? Well, that's a fair bit, huh? Get all them flavours in. Just wait, just take in all the flavours first. I haven't tried it with brownie yet.
It's lovely. It's brown.
What are you saying?
The chocolate caramel is banging. Ice cream's banging.
Nice. What about the brownie?
I don't taste it.
Oh.
Oh no, now I am.
Oh.
A bit chocolatey.
Alright, let me have a go.
Right at the end. Actually, yeah.
It's lovely. It's a bit salty too.
No, you've got to have everything with it. Oh, that was amazing. Anyway, guys, see you later because we've got to eat this. Bye.
Guys, that was so good, wasn't it, Dad? I could eat like
It was
5
amazing.
more.
That was the best ice
me
cream that I
5
think
more.
I've had. Not the ice cream, but what was with the ice cream. Rated fudge. Right. I didn't even realise it had flapjack oats at the bottom. Ice cream, vanilla ice cream. Flapjack thing.
Brownie.
Cubes of brownie, but they had fruit ones in there as well. £6 for a tub like that. I was very.
That was really good.
We paid £6 for them little ones at the Clarksons,
Yeah.
and that was nowhere near as big as that. Also, I think I want my cross. I found the cross.
Oh, you ain't bought it yet?
I'll show you what you think, because Pop won't like it.
I want to buy some silver.
Well, you go look where you want to look in there. Last night, tonight, on our way home tomorrow. On our way to have some, we don't know what, but Italian.
I'm going to have lasagna or
Yeah.
maybe spaghetti.
Car's parked there.
We didn't. We walked down.
We walked. We're not lazy. Anyway, we're walking through Burton on Water. Oh, we ain't showed anyone Burton on Water yet. But I'm going to video a few bits when we get there. Because you done a video today, but I didn't video any of this place.
Yeah. As soon as we get back, we'll be doing something, a new video. And it's actually going to be so cool. I'll be crying when I do that.
Yeah, right.
Yeah. How many days is that?
We leave Monday.
Okay, so Monday we'll be staying
No,
there.
yeah, we'll be going Monday, but we won't be on Monday.
Yeah.
I'll have to do it on like Tuesday or something.
But you can't know, it's a secret until it happens.
Yeah.
So stay tuned in our YouTube channel.
On our YouTube channel. You know.
Yeah, which has now got like 200 and something subscribers, all from Ren.
300?
300?
Yeah.
Oh, yeah, 300.
300. 330 something. Anyway.
So, we could look to get some money.
No. Shut up,
It's
man.
not about money, it's just about...
Our life. Enjoying it. Oh. Oh yeah, the wasp's nest up there. Oh. Oh.
Oh, look, that's where I've got Cotswold.
Yeah, it's fun. What do you reckon they like?
There's ducks down there, look.
Do you reckon it's a betting game? Like they bet.
Why is it still this busy? Crazy.
His napkins are going.
Pick a word.
With your big eye.
Do the how it sounds. The like ch or
Don't say it though.
B.
ooh.
This is my turn first, isn't it?
Yeah.
So can we see it? Is it here?
It's got to be in this garden, yeah? Bug. No.
Uh,
No. Don't say it, Ren, though. Oh, I know.
He keeps looking in
Dad's
that
turn.
direction.
Dad's your turn.
Keeps looking up there.
Dad's your turn.
birdies.
No,
Oh.
they're not in the sky. Bush. No. Bottle.
Yes, it bloody was, wasn't it?
No.
It was a bush.
Bottle. Yeah, but bottle.
Oh.
Big R.
It was glass.
Oh, glass bottle.
My turn.
Good one.
We're just going so.
Right, Mummy's turn.
Yeah, my turn.
Fair. Gets to back to me. Go on.
Go.
Go.
If not, you can forfeit and just wait for your turn again. Get the
I don't know.
Alright, right, give us a clue.
Right, it's on this table.
Oh, Go on, Rem, your turn. It's G. It's G. It's on this table.
Oh,
You can't
What's
say
this?
it.
what's this?
This one.
A table.
What's this?
Car.
Yeah.
Oh.
No.
Oh, it's not, Rem.
Yeah, Mum got it right. It was
What was it?
gin. It was gin.
Oh.
Oh,
Smile, everyone. Everyone smile. Everyone smile.
Nan smile.
She's not smiling.
Feed them.
Little bits.
Let's see if it eats off.
Kind of. Did it? Careful. Just put your hand down if you want to give it to it from there. Oh, no, it's going right under.
Drops. There's some more. Just a little bit.
Please. Drop some there.
Use it. I don't want to take it home.
It actually goes to the bottom, it don't. Go down.
Hi guys, sadly that is the end of the whole road trip. So I'll see you in the next video. It's going to be a good one.